The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Spalding County in west central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north central Georgia, southeastern Clayton County in north central Georgia until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over J.W. Smith Reservoir near Fayetteville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, McDonough, Jonesboro, Stockbridge, Hampton, Lovejoy, Sunnyside, Lakesville, Blacksville, Bonanza, J.W. Smith Reservoir, Atlanta Motor Speedway, Flippin, Eagles Landing, Irondale, Birdie, and Experiment. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.